Hey everybody, welcome to week 5. Okay, whew, I think we're really about to get the project going. Thank goodness that the project itself is not very, doesn't require a tremendous length of time. As I've said many times from the first week, I really believe you guys can complete your project in a week, 2 weeks, if you really got focused. So let's go over week 5. In terms of your project, you all should now be organized, ready to go. You should have submitted your template. I'm happy with whatever you choose. So as long as you've chosen one and submitted, I'm just making you turn it in for the sake of making sure that you're getting started. So get started. I have a video down here about the template. Just to kind of give you some ideas, but you know, again, I am not going to be grading you on, oh, I don't like that, oh, I don't like that. The reason why it has to be in a Google Drive is so that I can check in, make sure you're doing what you need to do. I will give you feedback no less than bi-weekly, okay? So you'll see the dates every 2 weeks. I'm going to be grading, checking in on you. Let's go to the grade book here real quick. Okay, so we'll do check-ins. So it's going to start next week. I'm going to check in on September the 30th, and I'm going to see, have you gotten started? Is there evidence that you're getting some work done? Then the next weekend, the next check-in that I'll do will be on the 14th. You should be making strides. If you are not making progress, then I'm going to have a discussion with you. And this is your group as a whole. You don't have to submit anything. Just know that on the 30th, after that day comes and goes, September 31st, I will begin to start looking and giving grades. So here are your check-ins all the way up through November the 11th. You have 2 weeks after that, the final project is due. Now, if you get done with everything October 14th, I'll go ahead in here and give you your points for the next 2 check-ins, because your group won't need it, okay? If you have any other questions about that, let me know. All right, so as far as week 5 goes, week 5, we are ready to start. You should be getting started on designing training programs. Notice this is the last chapter before your midterm exam. Chapter 4, which is actually Module 6, will begin after the fall break. After you take your midterm exam. Next week, good news. Nothing to learn new. It's a week for you to work on your project. It's a week for you to study for your exam, which you really should be. And if you have not earned a 30 on the quiz, you really should be studying via the quizzes, okay? So this is your last bit of content. It's kind of a little bit heavy. You've got 7 different Kahoots. I know some of you say, man, coach, this is a lot of quizzes, but it's actually easier for you when I break them down. It actually helps you learn. And remember, it's not just a grade, it's you learning, okay? So you do have a lot of quizzes this week. You have 4 quizzes. Now, there was a typo. These did not show up. How do muscles adapt to training? How do muscle cells get bigger and stronger? Actually come, I believe, from chapter 1 or chapter 2. Somehow those got omitted, but that's okay. Now, section 4, working on your magazine project, you guys should have already done this. Steps 1 through 6 right here. Okay, step 1 was actually joining a group. So most everybody has done that. So you just need to spend your time studying this chapter. Ask me questions if there's something that you need help with. So if you've already done most of this, you won't have to worry about this, and just about everybody has done this. So now you are ready to work on your quizzes for this week. And I need to link up. I'm just realizing I haven't linked up the other 2, so I'll go in and link those up for you today. So you've got the 4 quizzes that you need to take listed here, and that's it. So read chapter 5, take notes, play the Kahoots. Pay attention to what you missed. Remember, the Kahoots are the quiz questions. And then got to earn an 85. If you are behind, I need you caught up. You've got next week. That's also kind of a catch-up week. So if you are behind, please get caught up. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Let's have a great week. I'm very proud of some of the groups that are really doing a great job communicating in Remind. I hope you guys are enjoying that tool. So if you have questions, shoot me a message in Remind. Appreciate it. Keep working hard, guys. You're doing a great job.